So you're trying to mark ranges, but you're getting completely lost in your timeline? Trying to find that perfect spot? It can be super time consuming. Well, not anymore. Introducing the Shift-O shortcut in Final Cut Pro. It's a huge help when you're working with a marked range. First, set your in and out points, either using the I and O keys or simply clicking a clip to select it. Kind of like bookmarking the beginning and end of a segment or clip. Then press Shift-O. Instantly, you're taken to the out point. No scrolling required. And yes, Shift-I to jump to the in point. Try it out, and if you're looking for more, try combining Shift-O with playback controls like J, K, and L, and the / to play the selection back. Ready for more? Check out anawesomeguide.com. We'll see you there.